Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digitech Keys. In today's video, I will tell you how to design the half adder and full adder by using the CircuitVerse circuit. It will be helpful for your computer system architecture, experiment lab and digital electronics lab. So let's start. I already given the basic tutorials for the CircuitVerse in my last video. So let's start drawing our half adder. Okay, so just click on gates. Since half adder is having one AND gate and one XOR gate, so we will click one, we will take one AND gate and one XOR gate like this. And half adder is having two inputs, so just go and select input. So this is your input 1 and input 2. So just wire it like this and wire it. It's a very simple tool to design. So the first input should go to the second input, so just click on it and you can take it. Similarly, you can click on here and you can just directly connect it. Now you need two outputs for sum and carry. So this is for carry and this is for sum. Okay, yeah. Now if you just label it, then we will do the truth table verification. So this is A, consider this is B. Now we consider it, this is, put carry and this is sum. You can write C and S also. In case of carry C, you can write like this, C comma carry, and for sum S comma sum. Okay, so this is your sum and carry. Now you want to verify, so you can check where B, label it B. Okay, so you can see 0 0 0 0 is giving you sum is 0 and carry is 0. 1 0 is giving you sum 1 and carry is 0. 1 1 is giving you sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, so you can see, and similarly you can do here 1 0. Okay, 0 0, like this. If you want to verify, you can verify. So your half adder circuit is working properly. Okay, now as I told you, just uh, insert the circuit for designing the full adder. We can design by using two full adder chips, or we can design by using the circuit of the full adder. So just name it. We want to name it, so just our final aim is to design full adder. Okay, so we will put full adder, and this is half adder, so just named it half adder. Okay, so this is your half adder circuit. Now next you can design here full adder circuit. Okay, by if you want to design it by using half adder circuit, that is okay, but here I am designing it by circuit. Okay, so full adder will have two XORs, so we will take two XORs, 1 and 2. Okay, and two AND gate, so we will place two AND gates like this, and one OR gate. Okay, so we can place like this. Now just go to the input. So this will have two inputs, so just we will put two inputs. Okay, and another input will be C in, so we can place it here, C in. Okay, so just connect it like this, connect it and C in like this. Okay, and this output will go to the next XOR, so we will connect it like this. Okay, now these two inputs will go to the this AND gate. Okay, and this we will place it little, yeah, like this, because we need to connect this output to this AND gate. Okay, this output, and this C in will also go to this AND gate. and both A and B, these two inputs will go to these two, like this, and these two output will go to the OR gate, and here we need to connect the output. So we will connect one output, one here, okay. This is, we can label it, so we can call it A, we can label it, we can call it B. Here we can write C in, and this is C0, sorry, this is sum, so S comma sum, and this is carry, C comma carry. Okay guys, so our full adder has been designed. Now if you want to verify, so you can see when A, B, both the inputs are 0 and carry is 0, so output sum and carry both are 0, sorry, C in, so this is carry, C out, you can call it, we will call it C in and carry, okay. So 0 0, so now 1 0 0, you can see sum has been changed, okay, 1 0 0, now you see triple 1, so both sum and carry is 1 1, okay. When two 1 1s are there, only two 1 1 is here, okay. So this is sum is 0 and carry is 1, okay. Like this, if you want to verify your truth table, you can verify like this. Now I will tell you how to design the full adder by using two chips. Oh, we forgot to give the name, so we will give it name full adder, okay. Full FA, we will write only FA to avoid the final project name, okay. This is FA. So now we will change it, we will go to the next window, this is our next window. So let's start designing the full adder by using two half adders, okay. So this call the half adder, insert sub circuit, so we will call one half adder, okay. We call it one half adder, we again call it another one, you can you copy it and you can paste it, okay. So and you can also call it again, so we will call it again. Now here you can see, okay. So this is our half adder and another half adder. Now you know that half adder should have two inputs, so we will connect two inputs, A and B, okay. Now you know the carry of the first half adder, sorry, the sum of the first half adder work as the input to the second half adder, okay. So we will connect it here, we can do like this also, we can again connect it, okay. So this is sum will go to the next half adder, okay. Now next this half adder will have C in as carry, so we will connect one more input because we are going to design full adder, so we will connect it like this, okay. Now you know we need one more gate, that is OR gate, so we will OR gate, we will place it here, okay. So both the carry will go as input for the OR gate like this, and this carry you can connect it like this, and this sum will give you the final sum of the full adder, okay. We need to place the output, I didn't place it, so we can place it like this. Now another one like this, so this is our final full adder by using two half adder, so we can name it FA by 2 HA half adder, okay. FA by 2 HA. Now if you want, oh, we just wire it, I forgot to wire it, so wire it, okay. That's why it was showing red color. Now see all the ones, so you get, okay, you want to label it, so yes, you can label it like this, A, you want to label it X, Y, anything you can label, and this is C in, okay, and this is your carry, and this is your sum, okay, like this. Okay, so this is your full adder by using two half adder. You can verify all the inputs are 0, so you can see both the 0. When you change 1, you can see sum is changed. When you change 1 1, the carry is 1, the sum is 0. Okay, when you change the all 3 1 1, you can see both are 1 1, carry is 1 and sum is 1. Okay guys, so this is the full adder circuit, the project, the full adder project. I have finished it. In next lab I will tell you the ripple adder and subtractor, which is the next part of your experiment 1 of the CSA lab and digital electronics lab also. So thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.